Psalms, chapter 97. For the same David, when his land was restored again to him. The Lord hath reigned. Let the earth rejoice. Let many islands be glad.
Clouds and darkness are round about him. Justice and judgment are the establishment of his throne.
A fire shall go before him, and shall burn his enemies round about.
His lightnings have shone forth to the world. The earth saw and trembled.
The mountains melted like wax at the presence of the Lord, at the presence of the Lord of all the earth. The heavens declared his justice, and all people saw his glory. Let them be all confounded that adore graven things, and that glory in their idols. Adore him, all you his angels.
Sion heard and was glad, and the daughters of Judah rejoiced because of thy judgments, O Lord.
For thou art the most high Lord over all the earth. Thou art exalted exceedingly above all gods. You that love the Lord hate evil. The Lord preserveth the souls of his saints. He will deliver them out of the hand of the sinner.
Light is risen to the just, and joy to the right of heart.
Rejoice, ye just, in the Lord, and give praise to the remembrance of his holiness. From PrayLamp, peace be with you.